2014 Jeep Unlimited Rubicon, Unlimited Jeep Fun. The Jeep Wrangler JK has been called the most capable Jeep ever built. While some would argue that point, flattie fans especially, it's undisputable that regarding pure off-road talent, the Jeep JK has always been an amazing performer right out of the box. In stock form, it can outwheel just about anything made. Paton was fully aware of this reputation when he acquired his 2014 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Rubicon. However potent the Jeep was when he first began wheeling it, Craig knew that with just a handful of modifications he could have a lot more fun. The JKU wheelbase was already on and off-road friendly, however, to help increase its functionality on short and long-distance off-road adventures, the decision to stretch it 2 inches more using a TeraFlex 4-inch long arm suspension kit and make a home for king coilovers at all 4 corners with an EVO Manufacturing coilover mount kit was a no-brainer. The drivetrain was upgraded with a pair of Dana Ultimate 60 axles stuffed with 5.38 Newton and a set of Adams driveshaft custom 1350 drive shafts. Synergy Manufacturing track bars, drag link, tie rod, and sector shaft brace were used in the build, and a Fox steering stabilizer helps to control the 40x1.50 17 Mach's creepy crawlers on 17x9 Hutchinson beadlocks. Other than getting a Banks Ram air cold air intake system, the powertrain has remained stock, so far. However, the engine compartment has been filled up with a premier power welder setup, spot auxiliary switch, relay system, and an Optima yellow top battery.